Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio Ente Malai Okar Lesozman.
Baruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. Zechusi Yeglonim Al Kol Yisrael Amen. By the way, if you become a member of our channel, you can actually get these videos a little earlier. So if you enjoy this content, please consider supporting us as a member here on YouTube. This week's Parsha is the first reading in the book of Numbers, Parshas Bemidbar. We're reading, as we did yesterday from the Kedushas Levi, from the book of Numbers, chapter 1, verse 49. Once again, that verse says, Achas matei Levi lo sifkod, vesrosham lo sisah, V'soch b'nei Yisrael, howbeit the tribe of Levi thou shalt not number, neither shalt thou take the sum of them among the children of Israel. Rashi says, Achas mate Levi lo sifkod, that you should not count the tribe of Levi. Kedaihu ligyon shel melech liyos nimne levado. Rashi quotes the Medrash Tanchuma that says that the king's legion, it's the same word as legion, both coming from the Greek, is worthy to be numbered and counted in a separate census than the rest of the population. Devar acher, another explanation, Safek Kadosh Baruch Hu said, Sidel Amod Gezer Al Kol Nimnim Ben Esem Shana Mamala Shimusa Bemidbar. God saw that the destiny of all those in the desert who were counted above the age of 20 would die in the desert. Amal Yu'il Bechlal. So God said that these Levites should not be included among them, Fishem Shali, because they belong to me, says God, Shaloi Talu Be'egel, because they did not sin by worshiping the golden calf. That's in the Talmud, Bava Basra, Kuf Chaf Aleph Amud Beis 121b. My holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague, Zechusi Yeglonim Al Kol Yisrael Amen, explains, in Reitz Litain Tam Lamanim No Leviim Ben Chodesh. So later on in Numbers chapter 3 verse 15 we read that the Levites get counted from 1 month old, not merely from 20 years old. However, Rashi does not want to explain why that is. However, not like the rest of the Israelites who were counted from the age of 20. Because there's really not a question here. It's not difficult. The reason why they are counted from 1 month old is because they are called the guardians of the sacred guarding. What does it mean? Also, it's not even explaining why the Levites were not counted in the census together with the rest of the Israelites. Why they were counted by themselves. Because that's not explained with that other explanation. However, this is the explanation. Despite the fact that the Levites were counted from the age of 1 month old because of their role as the guardians of God's guardianship, however, they could have had two separate countings, one including among the rest of the Israelites, that's a census of those who are over 20 years old, and a separate census for the Levites who are counted from 1 month old, but they could be included in both censuses, because they are Israelites just like the other tribes. However, the Levites, really, their ministry starts when they're 30 years old, as we see in Numbers chapter 4, verse 3. Even though they're also counted from 1 month old. That's why the response has to be that the royal legion has to be counted in a separate census. Parish, what does it mean? Since they are from the royal legion and they're counted in their own census, meaning that they are the guardians of the sacred guarding from 1 month old. So therefore they're not counted with the Israelites from 20 years old at all. Shumis per Yisrael, that's a census of the Israelites. Al Yuel B'chlal, these are not included in that census. Perish, what does it mean? Aval Gab Shenigzira Alehem Misa Menechaf, even though in Numbers chapter 14 verse 29 we see that the Israelites received a decree of death if they were over 20 years old, since the Levites were not counted in the census of the people from 20 years old, therefore this decree did not apply to them at all. And so really both of these concepts are really hinted to in the same idea. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. And we'll see you later. And again, if you enjoy this content, please consider a membership on the channel. It really helps us out. Be well.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kulikowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Yibnei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Maharal.